ma'am, stepping off comms.
This is Dave. You got copy?
Yeah, read you loud and clear.
Roger that. Thank you.
Roadblock 3, can hear you loud and clear.
Read you loud and clear. Thank you.
PTM PLC.
Go for PLC.
Can we go ahead and bring up TM main bus and transmitter and swarm main bus?
Main bus and transmitter are on.
Can we go ahead and bring up TMA external power?
TMA external power is on.
PLC PTM, can we go ahead and arm the swarm CDI?
Stand by. Swarm CDI is armed.
PTM, this is SOC.
Go for PTM.
So I saw the same effect again, and then it jumped up to the full reading within about 15 seconds. Did you see that as well?
Yep, I saw that as well. It looks like, so that change corresponds with the change in my 12-volt regulator monitor. Basically looks like the regulator's turning on low, and then I'm guessing because of the cold, it ends up heating up and coming up to 12 volts.
Copy.
I'm guessing that's why it also came up a lot quicker than it did with the vertical, since it already been warmed up a bit.
SOC copy, that makes sense.
I guess, do you know the input range for that 12 volts that your microprocessor will accept?
We'll have to talk to Miguel about that. But I did confirm that this is a logic signal coming directly out of the microcontroller that we're looking at.
Okay. PLC PTM, you can go ahead and safe the CDI.
CDI is safe.
PLC PTM, let's go ahead and turn off TMA external power and swarm main bus.
TMA is off and swarm main bus is off.
Copy that. Can we go ahead and turn on experiment mag?
Experiment mag is on.
PTM.
Go ahead.
I guess, can we go ahead and move the launcher around the, I guess, the different coordinates for the box test?
Yeah, LO, can we move launcher to elevation 85.0, azimuth 13.0?
Hello, copies. Onwards.
And just call it out when you get there, and then stop moving.
Copy.
Two elevation 85.0, azimuth 13.0. Copy.
BTM, are you cool if they just continue moving through the box, or do you want them to stop at each step?
Yeah, I think if they just want to continue moving through the box, then I'll have them stop if I see it.
Copy. LO, can you just move through the box test? Maybe call out every 5 degrees you move.
Copies. Two elevation 85.0, azimuth 23.0. Copy. Let me know and be ready to move.
Yeah, LO, just keep moving through your box tests. Don't stop at the different things.
On the works. Two elevation 75.0, azimuth 23.0. Moving. At 5, elevation 75.0, azimuth 13.0. Moving. Pad 5, Pad 2, elevation 85.0, azimuth 13.0. Complete box test.
Thanks, LO.
MMPTM.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I didn't see any noise from that. I think we're good to go back to our normal conditions and bring down TM.
This is PR.
Go ahead.
I was wondering if we could just check that turn on with the TMA again and see if it that logic level comes up at its full value or not. I mean, I saw it jump up from an intermediate level to a full value, but it would be nice to see whether that's repeatable.
PTM, are you okay with that?
Yeah, that's fine. We can bring it up. PLC, PTM.
Go for PLC.
Can we go ahead and turn on TMA external power?
TMA external power is on.
low.
Go ahead.
Then move the pad to actual settings.
Yes, that's fine, yep.
Moving.
PLC, PTM, can we go ahead and arm the swarm CDI?
Swarm CDI is armed.
It looked like for that TMA monitor that it did go to the low value and then jump up after like a second.
PTM, this SOC, I think your theory, your thermal theory, I think is reasonable.
Copy that.
Yeah, MM, this is PI.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw it jump to the intermediate value for a second or so and then go to the full value. So I think if the techs are happy, then it seems like it's okay. Q seems happy with it, so I think we're good.
Understood. Thank you. PTM, you're clear to turn off as needed.
Okay. PLC, PTM, let's safe the swarm CDI.
Swarm CDI is safe.
Let's go ahead and turn off TMA external power.
TMA external power is off.
And then let's go ahead and turn off experiment mag, TM transmitter, and TM bus.
Payload is off.
PI is CM. PI is CM.
Go ahead, CM.
Can you give a status on 90 and a quick report on your readiness?
Yes, so you can check item 90. Let me just do a quick review before we proceed, just to make sure that that the observers confirm readiness. So give me a minute.
Copy that.
Pad 2 settings 83.9. Azimuth 22.6. No number.
TD check 9-1.
CM, this is PI.
Go ahead.
So an update on status. Bukjavik is green for skies and equipment. Tulik is green for skies and equipment. Eagle is green for equipment, orange to red for skies. At Poker Flat, we've got skies are clear. We are having an issue with one of the 4 cameras. The three cameras are enough to proceed. So we're still working on the issue with that 4th camera, but we could proceed at the moment. So I think for now, let's assume that we're go for Poker Flat as well. So that means we go for the whole mission, and so when we get to the window open, we may be holding for a little bit just to see if we can resolve this camera issue, but probably not for too long. If we can't resolve the camera issue, I'm completely happy going with 3 cameras here at Poker because that's still triple redundancy.
CM copies. Thank you, PI.
Pad 2, preliminary wind-weighted settings. Elevation, 83.9 azimuth, 22.6. Check 9-2.
ACS, hello.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead to move the launch.
Yes.
Copy. Check item 93.
ACS check 9-3.
Hello. Pad 2. Settings. Elevation 83.9. Azimuth 22.6. Check item 94.
RSO check 9-5.
PI to CM. PICM.
Stand by, CM. I'm on the phone with him.
Copy.
PLC, PTM.
Go for PLC.
Can we go ahead and bring up TM main bus and transmitter?
TM main bus and transmitter are on.
TM recorders are started.
PLC PTM, can we go ahead and turn on experiment mag?
Experiment mag is on.
And programmer, this is PD. You can go ahead and hold at 10.
Programmer copies.
ACS check 99.
Pad 2 preliminary wind weighted settings, elevation 84.1, azimuth 20.7, check 101.
PLC PTM, can we go ahead and power off experiment mag?
ACS check 102. Okay to move launcher.
Copy.
Experiment mag's off.
We can go ahead and turn mag on.
Experiment mag is on.
Pad 2 settings, elevation 84.1, azimuth 20.7. Check item 103.
RSO check 104.
PLC PTM, can we go ahead and turn experiment mag off?
Experiment mag is off.
PLC PTM, can we go ahead and turn experiment mag on?
Experiment mag is on.
PTM, MM.
Go for PTM.
Do we have a skin thermistor on the TM door that you can read?
Yeah, skin temp on TM is 59.3 degrees Fahrenheit.
Copy.
T minus 10 minutes and hold.
PLC, PTM, can we go ahead and turn off experiment mag?
Experiment mag is off.
PLC, PTM, let's go ahead and power off TM transmitter and TM bus.
Bus and transmitter are off.
TMS LOS and recorders are stopped. RSO, MM.
Go ahead.
Any updates to sort of wind predictions here? I think we're pretty steady where we're at.
We are steady. It is increasing slightly, but we are well within the window.
Copy. Thanks.
Yeah, this is CM.
As PI, go ahead.
Do you want to give us a quick science update?
Yes, I can do that. Just give me a moment here. Actually, give me a couple of moments. I want to talk to Tulik because I see their sky status has changed. Just give me a couple. I'll get back to you in a couple of minutes.
Copy that.
Block 3 to Blockhouse. Can I get a radio check?
Loud and clear.
Copy. Do we have any updates currently?
We are waiting on a science update.
Copy. Thank you.
CM, I'm ready to give a science update now.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so we've spoken to the camera operators downrange. The status as far as the skies go, Utgjarvik, Venati and Poker continue to be solid green, but both Tulik and Eagle are currently partially overcast in the direction that we're interested in and trending red. So, but nevertheless, with Venati and Poker, we do have conditions that we can launch into. The aurora itself has picked up its brightness quite a bit, so the aurora is brighter than it has been, but the magnetometers, both on the ground and also the GOES magnetometer, tell us that there's really not much energy associated with any of what's going on at the moment. So I think right at the moment we are in a position where we would pick up the count. I want to give my camera people just another few minutes to see how I think they're making progress on getting the last camera available at Poker. So I'd like to give them a few minutes. So I think I'm going to be asking to pick up the count probably within 5 or 10 minutes, but maybe just not right yet. And maybe could I have an update on the wind weighting situation?
CM copies. Poker would like to know if you'd like to get a weather update on trends at Venati.
I would certainly appreciate any weather update that we have, yes.
In work.
Copy that. And wind weighting status?
Wind weighting is still green.
And it looked like the launcher elevation setting had crept up a little bit, but still plenty of buffer room, correct?
Correct. It crept, as you stated, but it is still well within.
Excellent, thank you. All right, well, I will come up again as soon as I have some more information on this last camera. I said I'm not going to let it hold us up for too long, but I will give them a little bit longer to see if we can get that last camera ready. So we'll just hold off for a few minutes at least here now. Thank you. CM, this is PI.
Go ahead.
Just an update. We appear to have resolved our problem with the camera, so China is taking the camera outside now to set it up. She wants about 5 minutes to get that ready, after which I think I'll ask to pick up the count. So if there's prep work you want to do for that, this would be a good time to do any prep work so we can pick up the count as soon as China's ready.
Copy that. Do you want to go ahead and check 98? Then we'll get red block set.
Yeah, I can check 98.
Roadblocks 1 and 2, why don't you go ahead and go out? And I'd like a radio check, please.
Roger that. We'll get ready.
And PI, this is CM. Can we get confirmation on 105?
Yes, 50 is operational. You can check 105.
And just to give an update to PI, Poker is telling me that cloud conditions at Veneti are clearing.
Thanks for that. It's already pretty clear, so if it can get even better, that will be fantastic. Thank you.
This is CM polling for readiness to enter the terminal count. Programmer?
Programmer's ready.
SUR?
SUR, go.
Rick?
Rick is good.
Blockhouse, this is roadblock 1, radio check.
Loud and clear.
Blockhouse, roadblock 3 is in position.
Blockhouse, roadblock 2, radio check.
Programmer copies. Programmer copies. Standing by.
Roadblock 2, radio check.
Just for clarification, I think that's only going to be a couple of minutes, but I don't have yet verification that that last camera is in fact ready.
Yep. No worries. We'll be ready to go when you're ready.
Copy that.
Roadblock 2, radio check.
Roadblock 2, radio check. Having problems with the truck radio again. Gonna switch to handheld.
Copy that.
Roadblock 3, radio check.
Loud and clear.
2, you're going to have a white
CM's
SUV
going.
coming towards you.
Go ahead.
Just a quick update. I was just down talking to the camera operators. They're just checking all the configuration for that last camera. I think it'll still be another few minutes, but as soon as we're ready, I'll let you know and we'll pick up the count.
Copy that.
Did you copy that too?
Copy.
Roadblock 1 is also in position.
Copy 1. Roadblock 2, let me know when he clears.
Roger that.
Blockhouse, this is Roadblock 3. The car that was passing from Roadblock 1 to 2, we can see from up here, is stopped on the road with the hazards on.
Copy that, thank you.
I stopped. I'm right here with the car right now. I told them they got to turn back around.
Roadblock 2, they can go ahead and go on through if they want to. They just can't stay where they're at.
So Roadblock 1, they'll be heading back your direction.
Roger that.
Roadblock 2, looks like there's another car coming my direction, but it seems like they're just passing through.
CM, this is PI.
Go ahead.
We have confirmation that the fourth camera here at Poker is go. The other three have remain go. Sky conditions at Venatai, Poker, and Utqiagvik are good. Sky conditions at Tulik and Eagle are marginal, but the operators there tell me we will get something from those sites, but the other three sites will have us covered anyway. Conditions continue to be quiet, as I would like, so at this point I would like to pick up the count.
Copy that. Stand by.
Okay, programmer, you can pick it up at the top of the minute.
Programmer copies.
Roadblocks 1 and 2, let me know when your traffic clears, please.
One copies.
T minus 10 minutes and counting. New target to T0 093000.
There are 2 settings, elevation 84.1, azimuth 20.7, check 113.
PLC check 110.
Rick, check 109.
SBC check 111.
PLC check 116.
Roadblocks 1 and 2, can you please give me the status on the traffic?
PTM check 117 and 119.
Check 114.
Copy that, thanks. Roadblock 2, are you in position?
Roadblock 2 is in position.
Copy that, thank you.
PI checks item 120 if it's not already checked.
SBC check 121.
Pad 2, when weighted settings, elevation 84.1, azimuth 19.2. Check 122.
STM check 126.
ACS check 123, okay to move the launcher.
Rick, what's the status on 112, 115? Rick can check 112.
There are 2 settings,
And 11.
elevation 4.1, azimuth 19.2, check 124.
Check 115.
Roadblock 1, has the traffic passed yet?
No, they have not.
Hello, can you repeat that?
There are 2 elevation 484.1, azimuth 19.2.
Or so check 125.
ACS check 129.
T minus 6 minutes.
SOCDF status of 127.
Sorry, SOC check 127.
PI check 131.
SPC check 128.
Poker check 100. Be advised there is traffic in between our roadblocks.
Those starts out here on.
Can you repeat, please?
Programmer, we're going to be holding at 4.
Programmer copies.
This is PI. I wasn't intending to hold at 4. Is there a reason for that?
We have a vehicle in the, between the roadblocks. We're working to clear them now.
Understood. So, PI announces that we will be holding at 4, and
stop. I'm
check
getting
item
out of here.
132.
You got stepped on, Dave. Can you repeat, please?
They had stopped. I have been moving. We're on.
Are they going south or north?
South. We're headed to the lodge.
Copy that. Thank you.
T minus 4 minutes and hold.
Roadblock 1, let me know when they clear.
Copy.
Roadblock 1, have they cleared yet?
Haven't approached yet.
They were driving so slow. I'm right behind them. I'm following them.
Copy that. Thanks. Dave, where are they at now?
They are clearing. They are cleared.
Copy that. Thank you. Roadblock 1, can you confirm, please?
Yep, they are clear.
Copy. Thanks.
PI, this is CM.
Go ahead, CM.
Roadblocks have been cleared. Are you good to pick up?
Affirmative. Please pick up the count as soon as possible and check item 134.
Okay, programmer, you can pick up the clock at the top of the minute.
Programmer copies.
Roadblocks 1, 2, and 3, we're going to be picking up our 4-minute clock in about 20 seconds.
UT00933.
2 copies.
3 copy.
Programmer concurs.
Four minutes.
1, 2, 3.
Pad 2,
Roadblock
when
2
weighted
to
setting,
blockhouse. I currently have
elevate.
2 vehicle stops.
Pad 2, when weighted setting.
Copy that. If you can hold them, please do. If not, let me know.
Pad 2,
Copy
when
that.
weighted
They're patient
settings,
holding.
final settings, elevation 84.2, azimuth 18.6.
Roadblock 2, they're holding.
Check 136.
ACS check 137.
Roadblock
Okay
2,
to move
yes,
the
they're
launcher.
waiting.
Copy that. Thank you. 3 minutes.
1,
PLC check
2.
140.
Pad 2, elevation 84.2, azimuth 18.6, check 138.
PLC check 143.
RSO check 139.
PLC check 144.
ACS check 141.
Rick check 142.
PTM check 145, 146. PTM check 147.
2 minutes.
1, 2, 3.
ACS check 149.
Rick check 148.
SBC check 150.
STM check 151.
This is CM, polling
90
for
seconds.
go status. Programmer,
Programmer, go.
SUR,
SUR go.
Rick,
Go.
hello,
Go.
PTM,
Go.
PLC,
Go.
STM,
STM go.
SPC,
SBC go.
ACS,
Go.
SOC,
Go.
PI,
Go.
MM,
Go.
Poker,
Go.
CM is go, RSO,
RSO is go.
TD,
TD go.
CM check 153.
1 minute.
Rick check 153.
STM check 154.
50.
50 seconds.
$40. 30.
30.
This is SOC. I just lost signal on Dallas 1. STM, do you see it?
Yeah, I just got it back. 8 meter must have moved.
20.
ACS check 155.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mark T0. Plus 10.
First stage burnout. Second ignition.
Plus 20.
Second stage burnout.
Plus 30. Plus 40. Plus 50.
All systems have good track.
D-spin squib.
Plus 1 minute.
IIP within 1 sigma.
separation squib and brake wire.
ACS line.
Swarm door squib and all 4 brake wires. Swarm eject squibs and all 4 brake wires. TMA valve squib, TMA on.
ACS spun up in a line.
STM has all 4 Dallases at high power.
STM, can you confirm Marco link?
Marco is nominal.
Altitude flying high.
CM CPI.
Go ahead, DI.
Do we have a call out on whether we're flying left, right, long, short?
Stand by.
2 Sigma high, straight in the center.
Roger that, thank you.
Go ahead.
Blockhouse, be advised. Roadblock 1, we have a vehicle approaching.
PI, that apogee was 27
Ask them
kilometers
to stop
high.
for just another minute, please.
Roger that.
Roadblocks 1, 2, and 3, you can come on back and let your traffic go.
Repeat that, TD.
Two copies.
Concur.
And this is the TD launch danger area, all clear.
ACS complete.
MM, this is PI.
Yep, go ahead, PI.
Just for everyone's information, it appears that the solenoid valve may have been permanently open. We didn't see any modulation, and we're seeing a very bright re-entry bag that's in the shape of a donut. It's quite spectacular if anyone wants to look outside.
Yeah, copy that. We're seeing it on all sky right now.
One is in the gate.
Copy 1.
Roadblock 2 is heading back.
Copy 2.
LOS on 1 and 2. TM has LOS all links.
Roadblock 2 is on the gate.
Happy to.